Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you 10 lines on Nelson Mandela International Day. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. Nelson Mandela Day is celebrated every year on 18th July to remember South Africa's first black president, Nobel Prize winner, human rights lawyer and international peacemaker. The United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution on 10 November 2009 declaring 18th July as Nelson Mandela International Day. The day is also a call globally to ignite the idea that every individual has the power to transform the world and to make an impact on the social life with other needful beings. It is a day to highlight the work and ethics he did for 67 years fighting for social justice, humanity, help and to carry it forward. Mandela Day also celebrates a campaign known as 46664 in reference to Nelson Mandela's Robben Island prison number. The campaign was originally launched to raise awareness of HIV/AIDS. Mandela Day is not meant as a public holiday, but as a day to honor the legacy of Nelson Mandela. He is held in deep respect within South Africa, where he is often referred to by his Thembu clan name Madiba and described as the father of the nation. The day is observed to take action, inspire change, make every day a Mandela Day. Everywhere, people should take responsibility for making the world a better place. To promote Nelson Mandela Day, many people and organizations around the world take part in several activities like volunteering, sport, art, education, music, and culture. He is widely regarded as an icon of democracy and social justice. He received more than 250 honors, including the Nobel Peace Prize. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. And now I will meet you in my next video.